Hi, hi everyone. Today is the 1st of January, and what we're gonna do today? We're gonna go out for a run. Maybe you're gonna ask yourself, why would you do that? Yeah, because I really like it, and I wanna feel, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but the runner's high, so that feeling inside me that gives me a lot of energy. And yeah, afterwards, when I come back, we're gonna make a really nice, nourishing, and vegan lunch. Sometimes we forget that it's not always about reaching a goal, running at a specific pace, or lifting a certain weight. Sometimes it's also about slowing down and enjoying what we are doing in the moment. So, today, on the first day of the year, I decided to do exactly that. To look around, feel the cold, truly notice how cold it was, and it felt good. So this is gonna be one of my New Year's resolution to improve my running skills. So I'm gonna put here one of my last runs. So how I did it, how it went, and today I just went out without anything, without tracking anything, just to feel good, and I feel great right now at the moment. So yay! And yeah, I don't know if you know, but 1 year and 3 months ago, I couldn't even run like 200 meters because I was suffering from asthma, and I couldn't find, you hear that? So fireworks still. And I couldn't find any treatment that could cure it. And now to be able to run this far, so I ran like, I think 5 kilometers. Oh, it feels so good, healthy, and good for my body. Okay, I took a shower, now I'm ready. So as I said, I didn't track my workout and my running on the running app. Usually I do that to see how fast I go and my improvements. Today I didn't do it because I wanted to enjoy, but I always have the watch with me and it just tracks your heart rate. And yeah, I was feeling that I was not going fast. I was feeling that I could go faster. But instead, my heartbeat was crazy high. Then no, it started and it was going also 185. Well, okay, let's make a lunch together. So we're gonna make, I think, a risotto. Yes, with peas, and we're gonna make it high in protein, so we're gonna add also something more. Just so you know, I don't know a person that has like a protein deficiency, because if you eat enough calories, you don't have this problem, and it's overrated, this problem. Nobody has it. But there are a lot of people that have other deficiencies, so we're gonna make sure also that we're gonna have plenty of fiber, so we're gonna cut some veggies first. Usually we talk about high protein meals and then forget about everything else. We forget how important it is to eat enough carbs, veggies and fats, and a balanced vegan meal can include all of them. Start by blending the cauliflower, then take some dry porcini mushrooms and let them soften in hot water. In a pan, prepare a soffritto. I already have the base ready in the fridge. Add the porcini, mushrooms soak in water and let them cook gently. When the liquid has mostly evaporated, toast the rice for risotto. Add the mushrooms along with their water, then start adding vegetable stock little by little, stirring from time to time and waiting for the stock to be absorbed before adding more. Add also the cauliflower that we blended earlier. Meanwhile, cut and blend some tempeh. This is how I like it for this recipe, and trust me, as a topping is the best. Marinate it with soy sauce, balsamic glaze, sugar and tomato paste. Then cook it in the oven or air fryer until golden and slightly crispy. Meanwhile that you prepare the tempeh, don't forget about the risotto, so continue stirring the risotto and add in the stock. Halfway through cooking, add the frozen peas. Finish by adding the vegan cheese of your choice, stirring with energy to incorporate some air and make it extra creamy. Then you just need to serve the risotto hot and top it with a golden tempeh crumble. I mean, this is to show you that you can have a vegan meal that is full of flavors and in the meantime also full of micronutrients. So you have the tempeh, you have enough proteins, peas, vegan cheese, the Philadelphia I use. I mean, tempeh, I said it. Peas, cheese, yes. Well, nothing else. And well, yeah, it's delicious. I'm not asking for anything else. So I hope you're gonna try it and I hope you're gonna do Veganuary this year. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about Veganuary. Wow.